The second question is to state the difference between atomic mass and atomic number. The difference between atomic mass and atomic number. Atomic mass is referred to the weight of the atom. It is derived by adding the number of protons and the number of neutrons. Always remember that atomic mass is contained the number of protons and neutron. On the other hand, atomic number is referred to how many protons of an atom of that element has. If a hydrogen has 1 proton, so its atomic number is 1. Always remember that atomic number is equal to the number of proton. The third question is point the location of metal, non-metals, and metalloids in the periodic table. So, the location of non-metals is this. This green color or yellow-green color, this is the non-metals. The metals is this blue color. This. And then the metalloids is this violet color. The fourth question is differentiate the properties of an elements that are categorized between periods or horizontal row and groups or column. Period is a horizontal row. The elements in periods are not alike in properties. The properties change greatly across even given row. The first element in period is extremely active solid, and the last elements in period is inactive gas. While the group or family is a column, each family have similar but not identical properties. Example, the lithium, sodium, potassium, and other member family are all soft, shiny metals and have the same number of valence electron. The fifth question is point the location of the orbital shells block S, P, D, F are known as sharp, principal, diffuse, and fundamental. The location of S block is this part or the sharp, and the location of P is this part, this green color or the principal. The location of D is this yellow part, and then the location of F or the fundamental is this part. This is the S blocks, the P blocks, the D blocks, the F blocks are fundamental, the sharp, the principal, the diffuse, and the fundamental. The sixth or the last question, enumerate and describe the characteristic of each family or group found in the periodic table. Family or group found in the periodic table are hydrogen, alkali metals, alkaline earth metals, transition metals, boron family, nitrogen family, oxygen family, halogen family, and the noble gases. The hydrogen elements has 1 protons and 1 electron and its one and only energy level. Alkali metals is the elements found in the first column of periodic table, with an atoms of this group have a single electron in their outermost level. They are the most reactive metals and they react violently in the water. Alkaline earth metals are never found in and combined in nature. They have two valence electrons, included nutrients like calcium and magnesium. Transition metals, they are less reactive, harder metals. They are good conductor in heat and electricity, and one or two valence electron which they lose. Many transition metals are combined chemically with oxygen to form compound called oxide. Boron family have three valence electrons, and they are the most abundant metals in the earth crust. They are considered, and sometimes they are considered a disposable metal. Nitrogen family, this include metals, non-metals, metalloids, and have five valence electrons. These elements make up 78% of our atmosphere. Oxygen family have 6 valence electrons. Most elements in this family share electrons when forming a compound. Halogen family have 7 valence electrons, which they are known as the most active non-metals. Noble gases are colorless gases that are extremely unreactive because their outermost energy level is full. Rare earth elements are composed of lanthanide and actinide series, which means is synthetic or man-made. That's all. Thank you for watching.